the entrance, and next week is the opening for Halloween Horror Nights. I have Peter and Andy, and we're just gonna take you through so you can see what are the updates before the big event, and follow us. Right? And one thing that we want to mention right at the entrance on opening night, you'll see the big show. There normally are going to be a lot of characters on the top welcoming you, obviously over here as well at the entrance. But the biggest thing is that you're going to see is that on this side, who's going to be there? Do you remember? Jack the Clown. So one of those right there.
And on this side will be Dr. R.
Exactly. So, one thing I'm excited is who's going to be at the ticket booth. And also on the side, there's a mirror that you can actually take great pictures at night. I already did that. So let's go. Okay, so at Hollywood Boulevard, we're about to enter.
Sideshow Decay.
There you go. That's the name of it. So that's the theme that is going to happen for the scare zone on this area. So I can tell you that some of the scare actors that were recast from previous year, they're going to be here. So,
all we know is that it's going to be scary of the
that's right. Alright, let's go.
We got this that has the flesh-eating plant. And we got some other ones. That is the grand circus of the man-eater. We don't know about that, but I think it's gonna be. Look at that. So creepy, but cute. Yeah, still, this is kind of good. Look at the bird. Target. There's a crow. Timmy. This is Target. We're gonna get calm that. And look at this. It kind of looks like Red Beak, or I'm gonna call him Red Beak. It's so funny. So I'm gonna call her Red Beak. Look at this. That's another crow, but looks more bigger. This is broken. Oh. That is a broken. That is. Let's see. Oh man, kind of looks like lava. Okay, we got this. Oh, look at those.
They have that. Oh, that looks like one of your toys when you were a baby.
Poor guy. That's definitely one of our toys. Poor guy. That koala. We got the one like mystery, the Great of Magic. We got the Great of Magic. Sorry. And the Marvel at the Mystery. And we also got other stuff. Oh man, look at guys, look at that. Oh man, it kinda looks like creepy.
You're right, Petey, and they removed umbrellas.
Man, that looks creepy. Okay, let's see this. Bunny. Oh my gosh, there's a teddy! Kind of looks creepy though.
Look,
oh man, look at his skull.
Okay, for those who are looking, baby. Okay, so what I wanted to say is that on this side, there is actually a great place to take photos.
Lifer of a Shadow Man and the Juggling Vampire. I don't know what's that, but still, she's.
You have a nice outfit. This is fun.
Yeah, this grade is fun. Dang, look at the Shadow Man. He kind of looks creepy. Okay, let's go. We got this. Let's see behind it. Dang it. Let's see. Oh man, there's a gigantic cockroach or something. I don't know. Oh man, there's. Oh man, look at that bug. So big and cute.
You have to take a photo. I got this. This is from the photo.
I hold it.
Ooh, I think that
It's cool.
The cast.
Look, guys. There's a soda. Oh man, their tape fell down. Eddie, Mom said I can do it. Dang, looks cool. Oh man, we got used flares or something, I don't know. And this rotten hot dog with a bug on it. And we also got some ketchup. Poor guy, poor cat.
Ew, look at this. Ew.
It's rotten apple, actually, I don't know. It's rotten apple.
Don't feed the
Oh, look at that bird. Eat you for breakfast if you do that. Now, Eddie will take over. In this side of here, there is just juggling balls, I think. Yeah, he's definitely dead. Look at him. He kind of looks like he's eating over. Look at that. Yes. Let's look at the underside. Man, that guy's poopy.
Oh, what about this?
I like that. I like that one. Oh, no. What we got is a cat without a head, a doll without a head. I think that's the doll's head, I think. And look at that bunny. And that bunny, poor him. He lost some of his hair. Hey guys, look. Oh, and a small bicycle. We got is a doll with a head, with hair as a head. Look. And we got some ones up in the top, but there's only two. In here, this is the ticket area. There's a two-headed swan, a juggler, and an abandoned horse one.
But if you go all the way up,
Don't has.
You want to see how he's looking at you? Come this way. Ready? This way. Right there. He's looking at you.
And this is a big clown.
oh my gosh, look!
And we got also one of them. We also got one of them.
Look at him. He's a bull. He's a bowling ball.
He is my least favorite. Scary.
He's like this.
My least favorite.
Hello, Dad.
What about these guys?
And
guys
we
are
got
creepy.
dolled head. There's 1 second that got mixed too much. And we got the rest. And we got this abandoned horse, which I told it earlier, but whatever. On to the next one,
So we're heading to one of my favorite ones.
which is here.
Yeah.
And so we got this mermaid tail in a barrel. That zombie. This way. There's bunch of words here. And there's Fishman. And there is 2 crabs. Three actually.
Oh,
4!
5.
Five. And there's also another one.
Fishman. You took fish.
Yes, I did. And we got.
Look at that face.
And there's a bunch of signs here. There is a bunch of signs here, which is crazy.
And he was just covering your face.
And we're on.
Rather than dying. Okay, don't miss this one right here, please.
There's a Viking helmet.
Number 4.
A
I'm not
torch.
wearing it. Look, if I was wearing it, can move. If I was wearing it.
You'll be a
Oh my
Viking.
gosh, there's so many clams. Poor guys.
No, a starfish. Ow, it's broken. Oh, and we got a little lobster there.
He's like,
Alright.
we should run.
Alright, guys. This is it. This is gonna be creepy at nighttime. We'll show you how it looks at nighttime in a second. Obviously, and once it goes dark, we'll take some footage so you can see it. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be scary. Also, keep in mind, the parade goes through this street. Isn't that crazy? It's still fit. They have to maneuver all the way. All the people who are part of the parade have to pay close attention, making sure they're not, hitting any of these beautiful decorations for the event. So, see you soon.